Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Makeup Monday. So today's video is a Makeup Monday. As you can see, I think I'm officially bringing these back. I feel like I miss just playing with makeup, not really talking through the videos, doing voiceovers and getting a little bit creative. So today I decided to pull out a palette that I bought and then I realized I never even used. It is the Too Faced Italian Spritz palette. It is pretty new and I haven't seen very many people use it. So I was like, you know what? Today we're gonna pull out the blues with the warms and we're gonna create a super fun summer tutorial, and this is the inside of the palette. Super delicious. I'm also using a new lip combo. I hope you guys love it. It's very much giving 90 vibes with like the t-shirt and like the jewelry. So I'm definitely feeling myself today. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are happy to see Makeup Monday back. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you guys want to keep seeing Makeup Mondays, then let me know because I actually miss them. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's Makeup Monday summer tutorial. Starting off with the eyes, I am taking the Dominique Everlasting Eye Base. You guys know at this point, this is my absolute go-to. As you can see, I was wearing lashes because these are lash extensions. I wanted to prep my lashes before going on my trip because that's like something less to worry about, you know? So I wanted to try out the kind of new palette from Too Faced, the Italian Spritz. I've had this in my collection for a few months and I just haven't had time to film with it. So I have it right in front of me so I can tell you guys the names. I am starting with the name Gelato, which is a vanilla shade. You guys already know I love to use this on my brow bone to help me set. And it just really helps me blend out the other colors. And then I'm going to take the shade Capri Fun. This is a really pretty tangerine mandarin orange. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I was so blown away by the pigmentation of this. I am using a fluffier, kind of like a dense brush to help me really lay it down. The reason why I love this base so much is because it dries down to a matte, but it still allows the eyeshadows to be super pigmented. As you can see, I'm creating my shape like this, almost like in a U, like an upside down U. So I'm just going to pack that and then blend the edges. I try to leave in as many clips as I could. I know you guys appreciate them. And then taking a fluffier blending brush and just blending out the edges. I'm taking the color Feeling Saucy. This one as well is really, really pretty. This is giving like sunset vibes, which I did want to mention that I have another video coming up either this week or next that I filmed, and it's very similar in colors, but I like the other look so much more. I wanted to add a little bit of richness, so I took the shade Espresso Yourself as well as Mamma Mia, and I mixed the two to create this really pretty, almost like a burgundy brown, and I took that into the lowest part of the crease. You always want to use your darkest color lowest to your lids. Now this little brush right here has been my absolute obsession. Is from the collection from Jessup that I bought from Amazon. If you guys remember my Amazon video, if not, go ahead and check it out and give it a thumbs up. But I'm going back and just pretty much reinforcing the colors. So going back into Capri Fun and Feeling Saucy to blend everything out, and it looks so good. I'm going to use a little bit of my Garnier Micellar Water. And I'm using a Q-tip to clean the lids. This is just going to make application a lot cleaner and easier. And then I go back with my base and I pretty much apply that to the lids again. This is just going to make that beautiful blue pop. This is the color Lake and Bake, and it is so beautiful. If you're looking for like beachy poolside makeup, this is it. I took a spoolie and I brushed my lashes to make sure I didn't have any eyeshadow fallout. I'm using the Thank Me Later face primer, which has been my recent go-to. I found this one on Amazon as well, and it's really, really, really good. So I'm going to apply that and then going with the Skinfluencer foundation by She Glam in the shade Golden. This is my favorite because it looks like your skin, but so much better. It covers enough, but not too much. It's breathable, it's lightweight, it's super airy on the skin, and it just makes you look like $1,000,000, seriously. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape. This has been my recent go-to concealers. As you may know, I go through phases where I use one concealer and then I use another. But this one is just so creamy. The way it blends, the way it just, it looks beautiful. I'm going to bake underneath my eyes. I don't remember what powder I used here, but I will have my favorite powder in the description box down below. I'm adding a little bit of bronzer because I didn't do any cream contouring or cream bronzing. I've just kind of been into like powders lately. So I went in with MAC Give Me Sun, which is my all-time favorite bronzer. It just, 10 out of 10. I love this bronzer. Definitely taking it with me and then using a little bit of my Benefit blush. This is the perfect blush. You need this if you love peachy orangey blushes. Like, it went so good with this eye look. And then taking a little bit of my Juvia's Place highlighter, which has been my obsession because it makes your skin look so dewy and wet and delicious, and it's like texture skin friendly. We're finishing off the eyes using the same colors that we use. So I used Espresso Yourself closest to the lash line, and then I blended it out with Feeling Saucy. And I added a little bit of Capri Fun to the lower lash line. I used a little bit of an eyeliner to really open up the eyes, and then finished off the lips with the MAC Chestnut lip liner and the Teddy 2.0 powder lips. And that is the end of today's Makeup Monday tutorial. Definitely let me know what videos you guys want to see in the upcoming Makeup Mondays, soft glams, summer, bronzy makeup. Let me know in the comment section. I love you guys. Stay safe. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.